So let's take a little room tour of room 5536. It is a deluxe family stateroom with extended veranda. Which our room keys are right up there. We already got those. Of course, the little porthole. No magnets today on our door. You come in, you'll get the thermostat. Make sure you put a card. I just used the old Disney gift card that I can leave in there, and that'll turn the lights and all off and on. But this is our room. Sorry about the lights right back there. We go. And you will probably notice something a little different here. But before we get there, don't forget Disney. Double bathrooms right here. This is a toilet and sink area as you enter the room, and then you come over here. Make sure to watch your step. And then this is the shower and another sink area. So two people can get ready at the same time. Mirrors on the back of the door. There are two closets. One right here, which has the hangers and the life vest, 5536. And right down here is the safe and other areas, other shelving right there. Then you come right over here. We can do laundry if we want to. Then you come over here. Here's another closet right here. More life vests. There's only two of us in here, but it is for 4. And no hangers in there, but you can spread the hangers, or you can even ask for more hangers. That's my jacket. It was so cold this morning. But you come over here. More shelving. Our cups and drawers are right there, and right there, and right there. This is a connecting room, so there will be a door there. But this is what we got. We got the holiday package, which has these cute little things. Right here, that is a shoulder sitter right there with the little magnet thing. You can have it. The pillow comes with the package, so we get to take that home. The shoulder sitter, this here. We got Mickey over here, this one right here. You get the throw blanket right here for the delivering Holiday Magic Disney Cruise Line right there. Come over here. They got plugs and ports right there, but no USB. I thought there was USBs, but there were no USBs there. Then you come over here. No USB. Maybe on the phone? Let's check the phone. They are terrible for USBs. Nope, no USB. Good thing we bought our big fan, because we brought the little fans, but they require USBs beside the bed. So no USBs by the bed. No USBs over there. There's some artwork. USBs here. Yep, I guess those, oh wait, that's a USB, right? No. I don't know, I'm gonna have to find the USBs. Oh boy. Man, this room is terrible for USBs. And of course, this is the cooler right there. TV, which is playing when you come in, so don't be scared if you hear anything. I did forget to add, since we are now, this is our 5th cruise, we're now a Castaway Club. Right here, after your 5th cruise, you become Castaway Club. So they give us a new little bag and new little tags. But for the holiday package, they even give you a little frame that you can hang on your tree. So you can take a memory picture and put it on your tree. It's kind of neat. The couch will become a bed if you need it to be. We do not have an overnight bed here, so this would only sleep 3, this room would. And then, like I said, that bag is for all the goodies that are on here. Oh yeah, I forgot the stocking. You get a stocking right there. Do I have to be a little stitch stocking? And then you come out here. Right this way, we haven't set sail yet. Wanted to do it before we left. This is our extended veranda. Chair, table, chair. There's Michelle right there. And then the extensions right here. And right there is the cruise dock right there. That's where we park, the parking garage. And we will head out that way right there. I needed to show you some more stuff from our holiday package, which when we were doing the room tour, I kind of went over but didn't show you a lot of it. we discovered these little guys here. We get a Mickey and we've got a Minnie. We actually moved them over the couch. That's the bag that everything comes in. That's our new Castaway bag we got right there. But these are actually for if you take photos on the cruise and you get them, you can put them in here. So they are holders, picture holders and stuff like that for your cruise, which we absolutely love. Let me show you a little more of the blanket. It is so cute. It's got all the characters on there. It's got the Christmas music plays constantly on the TV during a holiday cruise, which is really nice. Really puts you in the Christmas spirit. You got the ships. There's Mickey, Minnie over there. Where's Donald? Right down here. And then of course Goofy and Daisy right there. And Pluto at the top. But the pillow, you get this too. It is a zip cover pillow, so you can replace the stuff inside if you need, or fuller, you can fill it more. But there's Donald and Pluto, Daisy, Mickey, and Minnie. But I did not notice this when we were doing the room tour, but when we were doing the room tour of the ship, just how good, of course it's Stitch, do I have to be. Absolutely love that pillow right there. That is fantastic. And that actually also came with a stocking we have right over here. This come with the package also. So this is the holiday package that you can buy for your room. And the holiday package was $125. I will let you know that. So you get all that stuff, you get to take it home. So when you price it out, I mean, the blanket alone is $45, $60. The pillows, another $30. So I think it's a great deal. But let me show you the shoulder sitter. This might be the cutest shoulder sitter I've seen. It is a holiday one because you can see he's got his holiday scarf on there. But he is also posable. So you can move it around and everything and move his legs and move his arms. But it is a shoulder sitter because there's this magnet right there that attaches. But I'm not going to wear him because I wouldn't want to lose him. But that is the DCL holiday shoulder sitter. That is such a hard word to say without saying bad words. But I think if you come on a holiday package, since we've done our room tour, I think this is a fantastic upgrade that you can get for your room. So if you're ever coming on a cruise, make sure you look at some of the extra stuff that you can get. Absolutely love this extended balcony. 2 normal chairs right there. You can order room service to get your complimentary breakfast, or even at night, because that room service is 24 hours. But those 2 chairs right there recline. And just look at that view. What a fantastic room.